Tell me why you'd go from like a buy side kind of interesting role, oil and gas, Calgary, to equity research position.
Number one, that was the dumbest mistake of my life. Number one, the stupidest freaking thing I've ever done in my entire life.
I looked at it and I said, that's interesting. That's different.
Hold on. That was dumb from a personality fit point of view. From a professional point of view, skills. And I'm not talking, hey, are you the greatest equity? And no, I'm talking from a modeling, from a dissecting the business skills point of view, that about a year or 8 month stint was very good. But from a personal fit point of view, it was like the dumbest freaking thing I've ever done.
Why? Because it was too...
Okay, I think the reason was, number one, I was bored. Number two, for some weird reason, I was thinking, okay, I just need to have some bank, nicer
bracket.
Some name on my resume. I don't know what that was going to do. I had no idea. I thought, okay, cool people do this. Maybe I should go do this. Dumbest freaking decision of my life. Also, the problem was that particular office was a smaller office amongst many big offices. So A, didn't have any political sway. I only found this out later. B, it had so much turnover. I mean, people were going.
That's why they just gave you the offer right away.
Yeah, I think probably they gave me the offer. No, yeah. Because again, I'm very upfront with you. It was not 100%. It was not because of my supreme intellect.